can't get this dumbass fucking stabilizer to work. So I'm gonna just have to freehand this bitch. But today's problem with the Infiniti, I don't know what the fuck happened, but we got a sunroof that doesn't want to go down for some reason. Let me just give you a little preview of what's going on here. So I took this shit off because this is just like the covering, because I'm gonna get these bolts up there and try to just remove the whole sunroof off. But I don't know what the fuck happened. I'm not too sure. I was just driving, put the sunroof up and down, and boom, stopped working. So yeah, as you can see, it's just stuck. So I'm not too sure what else I can do. Alright, so I did a little bit of research, and they said that these sunroofs come off track a lot. So a lot of the times the problem is actually with the motor. So I'm gonna try and remove this up here and make sure the motor is all good. So I'm not too sure. I found this screw that was backed out, just laying on top of here like this. And I'm not too sure how I'm gonna be able to just remove this piece out of the way. So I got a Phillips head. I just left this light on because I wasn't really able to get the cords undone. But I'm just gonna screw this Phillips head back in. I don't want to try it, but at the same time, it wasn't that hard to really pop off. So I'm just gonna pop it back on. And then let me hop over to the driver's side and see if I can get this bitch working again. Alright. Do I not have the keys with me? Oh, I got my keys. Sometimes it'd be too easy to talk about no key. But you know, just Infiniti problems. Don't worry about that. Alright. It's still broken. Still no work. I got the rest of the motor out. I'm just gonna re-put it in, I guess. Try it. Make sure all the bolts are tightened down. Make sure the gear is in place. Alright, so I got this bitch working now. You know how I was showing y'all before I put it in and it wasn't working? But, which is crazy as fuck to me, is what I had to do is I had to hold down this button 10 seconds. Right? 10 seconds until it clicks. You're gonna hear it click probably. Hold on. There should be a click noise. At least hold it down for 15 seconds. Do it twice. And then hit the back one. And it opens all the way up. No problems at all. Let's go, another problem solved.